sir because she had been very motivating towards me.
Hmm.
When she was my English teacher in 8th standard, so she was the only one who encouraged me to participate in such speeches or debates. And she told me that I have good potential in me, and she raised my self belief in me a lot. I remember this one thing told to her by me, that if once you find yourself, once you identify your potential, then you are very capable. And that I keep reminding myself in all different points of and walks of life, and I just perform my best in that. That's why she's my favorite teacher. And so in terms of dislike, I there has been no teacher who I've disliked. I've learned one or
And
other
in
thing
your
from
college also, are
college.
there
Yes, sir.
any teachers you liked
Yes,
or
sir. My
disliked?
yes, sir. I have had the most interaction with my economics teacher, sir. She was very friendly. She used to teach in a very calm manner. And being in college also, she would not expect us to know every basic of it, and she would teach from the very start, like to get the basics clear. Also, even being in college. So economics was the one subject which was new to me as I entered graduation, because I did not have it in 11th and 12th. So in my graduation examination, I approached to her personally, if she could take out time to just clear some of my concept which I had a difficulty in. And she, without any hesitation, gave me time. She gave me like an hour or two after class. So I really appreciated her for that. And that's why in college she is the one. And then political science teacher also, she was a female teacher that was there.
Okay.
She also taught in a great manner. So
All
she's
right.
okay.
Okay. Fine. Right. What is
Then
left?
so talking about my friend circles, so from the very start, I've had a great friend circle. I've had good friend company. So, sir, me and my mother moved with my father as he was posted to different places. So, I'm still in contact with a few close friends that I had there. For example, Goldie, Nishant, Pragya. Then in school time also, still I'm in contact with
So, since when you have been here at Jaipur Army Public School?
Army
Before
Public
that,
School.
you mentioned that you
Yes, sir.
had been to various other stations where your father was posted.
Yes, sir.
So, which are these places you have been?
So I've been with my father in Jodhpur, where I was very young. Then he was posted to Assam. We stayed there for 4 years.
Where in Assam?
Assam, Dibrugarh, sir. Dibrugarh Airport Station.
And
After Assam, we went to Nasik Devlali. So that was the place where my father's last posting was there. After that, he retired and we came to settle in Jaipur
so
in
you
2016.
retired from Devlali.
Yes, sir.
Father retired from Devlali.
Yes, sir.
So where was in Devlali? Devlali is artillery center, artillery school. Where
So,
were you in Devlali?
so I'm not able to remember that. I just know that the Air Force station name was Devlali, Nasik Devlali. I do not remember the area that was there.
Which class was that?
I was in fifth and sixth standard when I was there.
You should have